There's buzz on Dalal Street. Indian stocks touched new highs today with both the Sensex and the Nifty witnessing solid gains. So what is driving this surge? An announcement from the Indian Prime Minister. Listen to this.
इस दिवाली में आपकी डबल दिवाली का काम मैं करने वाला हूं। इस दिवाली में आपको एक बहुत बड़ा तोहफा देशवासियों को मिलने वाला है। पिछले 8 साल से हमने जीएसटी का बहुत बड़ा रिफॉर्म किया। पूरे देश में टैक्स के बर्डन को कम किया, टैक्स की व्यवस्थाओं को सरल किया और 8 साल के बाद समय की मांग है कि हम एक बार उसको रिव्यू करें।
India is set to reform the GST, that's the Goods and Services Tax. The plan is to slash tax rates in a big way. The GST is an indirect tax. Consumers pay it when they buy goods or use services. It's built into the prices that you pay at the store, and it affects nearly everyone. Unlike income tax, which is paid on earnings, GST is paid on spending. It is included in most purchases, from mobile recharge to haircuts. From clothes to cars, whenever you buy something, you pay GST. Now, this tax is set to come down, and that matters. To understand why this move is significant, let's look at how the system works today. Right now, the GST has 4 slabs: 5%, 12%, 18%, and 28%. Reports say the government wants to cut this to just 2 slabs. It wants to remove the 12 and 28% brackets. This would leave just 2 slabs, 5% and 18%. So it's going to be a simpler structure and a big shift in India's tax system. This move could have a major impact on prices, and I'll tell you how. Most items currently taxed at 12% will be shifted to the 5% slab, and that's going to be a big drop. And this list from 12 to 5% includes everyday items like processed foods, dairy products like butter and cheese, mobile phones and computers. These are things people use every day. Now they will be taxed less. Then we have the 28% slab. Today that rate is reserved for luxury goods like your high-end cars, air conditioners, large television sets. They're all charged 28% GST. Now, under the new plan, 90% of these products will be moved to a lower slab. They will be taxed at 18%. So that's a direct saving of 10%. Naturally, these lower taxes should mean savings for consumers. And that is why the stock market jumped today. Shares of car companies rallied. If GST is cut, they stand to gain, and gain in a big way. Small cars could get cheaper. They would be taxed at 18% instead of 28%. Fewer taxes mean more affordable cars and more sales. Insurance stocks also rose because they could benefit from lower GST too. Reports say insurance premiums could fall to 5% or even 0. This would apply to health and life insurance. Right now, they're taxed at 18%. So for consumers, that's going to be a big saving.